Hello, welcome to lesson 19. Today I'm going to introduce two nasal finals, n and eng. When you want to pronounce n, you bring the airflow pass through your nose. This is why we call it nasal finals. At the same time, bring the tip of your tongue to the top of the mouth. Say n. The pronunciation is similar to end. The next one is eng. The same for the first one, you bring the airflow pass through your nose, but you put your tongue in the center of your mouth. Don't touch anywhere of your mouth. Put it in the middle, level. Say eng. I didn't find any English word that has something similar to this, but I believe if you locate your tongue at the right place, it's easy for you to pronounce this. N and eng can combine with all of these initials, but not with G, Qi, and Xi. And for T and L, it cannot be combined with N. This is an exception. But T and L can combine with eng. In the following slide, I will show you several important characters for writing or for remembering. The first one is gate or door. It's a combination of mu and n. Second tone. Mu, n, men. Men means door. You see again, this is a character that is very similar to the shape. It's like a gate, right? And the way how it's written is also simple. So let's start. First, it's a dot. Then this is the vertical stretch. Then the next stroke start from the left to the right, from top to the bottom. Men. Next one is combination of fu and n. Fu, n, fen, first tone. Fen, it means separate from something, or two things separate. And the other meaning is for point, for the score in a school. Fen, and you will see on the top of fen is an 8, the number 8. Ba, if you remember, we learned this. Ba. In the bottom, this is also a character. This is a knife. So when you put a knife underneath something, you're split, you're separate something. Fen. And the way it's written is also simple. It's a two-part, top and bottom. So the top is 8. First, second, we have learned these. And for the knife, for the following one, it starts from, again, from the left to the right, top to the bottom. And then this one. Fen. The next one is a combination of he and en, third tone. He, hen means very. So when you want to compare with something and say something is very good, you say 很 or very hot. We learned hot, right? 很热. So you put this one in front of the adjective to say it's more than that. Here I gave you a word, 很好. We learned 好 means good. When somebody asks you if this is good or not, you can say very good, means 很好, very good. The next one is a combination of r and n, second tone. R, n, 人, it means people, person, human. You see, this is like the people's two legs. In the ancient time, we write 人 more complicated. It has a circle on the top. So in the simplified Chinese, we simplify it like this. 人, easy. First stroke, second one. if you remember in the previous video, we learned the ru. It looks similar like this, but actually different. You will see the top are different. You start with this, but the second stroke is on the top of the first stroke. These are the difference of this one. 人入. The next one is wind. It is a combination of fu and eng with fourth tone. Fu, eng, feng, wind. The handwriting is not complicated. You can actually try it by yourself. Start from the left, then to the right, then a cross in the middle. Wind. This slide showing weight. This is a complicated character, and please just try to remember the pronunciation, the meaning, and how it looked like. Hard to learn. So this slide is a combination of de and eng with the third tongue. De eng, deng means wait. So somebody is waiting for you. Say, or you ask somebody to wait for you. You say, 等我. 等. Next one is cold. Combination of le and eng with third tone. Le eng,冷 means cold. So this is also a character with two parts, left part and right part. 冷. The last one I will explain you, 声母. 声, a combination of shi and eng with first tone. 声. We have learned this actually in our first class. 声母 means initials. And 声 itself means voice. 声. 声母 means initial. Okay, this is all we have for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.